Hello everyone, today you will see the new Ferrari Purosangue EV concept, a luxury electric super SUV from 2050. Like and subscribe for more futuristic cars. Front view. The Purosangue EV's front is aggressive, with an illuminated Ferrari logo, sharp matrix LED headlights, and sculpted air intakes enhancing its futuristic super SUV look. Rear view. Continuous taillights and a sculpted diffuser give a sporty, high-tech feel. Aerodynamic spoilers integrate smoothly, emphasizing speed and luxury. Side view. The SUV body is muscular with flowing lines and large futuristic wheels, combining power and elegance. Its proportions scream super SUV performance. Interior. Inside, the cabin is a futuristic Ferrari lounge with curved OLED dashboards, holographic displays, and Rosso Corsa leather seats with ambient lighting. The cockpit is driver-focused yet luxurious. Under the hood, dual electric motors provide instant torque and all-wheel drive, supported by a high-performance battery for extended range and speed. On the road, the Purosangue EV dominates the road, combining acceleration, comfort, and handling. It feels like a 2050 super SUV from the future. This Ferrari super SUV combines speed, luxury, and futuristic design. Like and subscribe for exclusive 2050 Ferrari content.